what do you get in the Christmas Money Card Holder Workshop bundle? So, of course, you get this workshop that you're watching right now. You get lifetime access to that and that is, of course, lifetime. So you have it forever. You have full access to this video. You can go back and watch any of the tips that I went through, um, any of the assembly instructions that I went through. You have that for life. So what else do you get? So also I have several bonuses that I'm going to be throwing in with the recording of this workshop. I'm going to be also giving you these money card holders, these Christmas theme money card holders. You get 7 of them, the ones that you see right here on the screen. And these are all ready to print and then cut. So there's no cleanup or conversion required, saving you even more time. You can just literally download the file and start making your project in minutes, just like you see me do here. These all come in PNG format, so it's a high quality image. There's no sort of like resolution issue or blurriness or anything. They're clean, they're crisp, they're clear. There's nothing you need to edit to make them a usable file for you. These, of course, are all digital downloads, so you don't even need to leave the comfort of your screen to get them. Just download them and you have them right away. There's unlimited downloads. So let's say for whatever reason you switch devices or you accidentally delete the file, you can download it again. Also, let's say you want to make multiple of the same money card holder to give out, you can download them as many times as you want and do so. These are all instant downloads, so you don't have to wait for anything to come in the mail, or you don't have to go to the store to buy these. As soon as you download them, you get them right away and you can start using them right away to make your project immediately. And these also all come with a commercial license, so that means the money card holders, the physical money card holders that you print out and cut and make, you can sell those for profit so you can make some extra cash. So all of these money card holders that you see here on the screen, these were all designed from scratch by me in a vector graphics program, and they've been all quality tested to ensure that they are usable file. So I went through and I've uploaded them all into Cricut Design Space to make sure they all work correctly for you and that they pass my quality test. So also, because these are quality tested, you won't find any weird or jagged edges on them, making it a weird cut. You don't have to clean up any of them yourself before you can even use them. And then these are all flattened image already, so you don't have to even flatten, except for if you add any personalizations, then yeah, you want to flatten those onto one layer. But these come as one layer already, so you don't have to spend your time welding anything together to make sure that everything's on the same layer or flattening or anything like that. So what else do you get in this bundle? So also, I'm giving you my Christmas SVG bundle, and those are all high quality, ready to cut SVG files. So there's no cleanup required. You can spend more of your time on your project rather than getting the file to be usable for your project. So, and also what you see here is what you get. You don't have to group any of the light colors together. You don't have to do any of that welding or anything. These are ready to cut files. Also, these SVGs are easy to edit yourself. Like if you wanted to change any of the colors because maybe you wanted to use this as a PNG, maybe for sublimation or something, the layers are easy to edit so you can change the colors. They also come in multiple file formats: SVG for cutting, PNG for printing, DPS for Silhouette Non-Designer Edition, and EPS. So they're compatible in virtually every cutting machine and design software out there. So again, you can use them to cut, sublimate, print and cut if you want to make stickers or anything like that. These are all also instant downloads, so you can start making your project right away. You get lifetime access to these, so you can access them at any time. So no more sifting through your Facebook group dumps trying to find that image that you saw last week that you want to use on your project. These you have access to for a lifetime wherever you save them on your computer. Also, these are digital downloads, of course, so you can get them with the click of a button and always have them right at your fingertips. And these come with a commercial license, so you can sell the physical products that you make with these designs and make some cash also. And these are just some bonus SVGs that I threw in today, in addition to the ones you see on the previous slide. All the same features apply to these as I went over in the previous slides, previous SVGs. Okay, so what else do you get? So also I am giving you my Christmas gift tag bundle. So go from running out of gift tags at the last minute and having to write everyone's name with the Sharpie, we know how that is, to being able to cut a set of tags in just minutes and have them always at the ready. So this gift tag bundle is exactly what you need to add that personal touch to your holiday gifts. You can save time when making your projects. No more hunting down a free image on the internet. They have to spend time cleaning and converting up before you can use it. Save your money because you can cut an unlimited amount of gift tags. If you have 50 gift tags, you just purchase, you pay one time, and you have 50 plus however many gift tags you need. You got it. Instead of having to run out and buy more, like when you run out of them at the store. Also, eliminate the frustration of having a file not even work, like the ones you get off of Google or something. These are cut ready. These are actually a Cricut Design Space exclusive. So you do have to have a Cricut account to use them. These are actually a Design Space project. So you just click the link. When you get access to it, you click the link and it immediately loads on your canvas, your Design Space canvas. So there's 16 of these gift tags here that you'll get. So you can make gift tags for your presents in just minutes. And these also come with a commercial license. So you can actually cut out these gift tags and then sell them, the physical gift tags, for profit. Okay, so what will this bundle do for you? So this Christmas money card holder workshop bundle is going to give you the convenience that you need for your holiday gift giving. You can effortlessly present cash or gift cards in a beautifully crafted themed card holder. Gift cards, that was a typo. And adds a touch of festivity and personalization to your gifts. So transform the way that you give gifts during the holiday season. No more generic envelopes or plain cash gifts. Instead, you'll have charming holiday themed card holders that make your presents feel more thoughtful and festive. Okay, so what are some ideas of ways that you can use Christmas money card holders aside from, the traditional gift giving? So of course you have the traditional holiday gifting. So these are a unique way to give cash or gift cards during the holiday season. You just attach your money to it and it makes a thoughtful and festive present. Also, you can use these for Secret Santa. So they can be a part of a Secret Santa exchange. Just, of course, put the card in, add your personalized note for a touch of holiday magic. You can use these inside of stocking stuffers. So make a money card holder, put in someone's stocking. That's a fun way for a delightful surprise on Christmas morning. Another thing you can do, you can make table setting decor. So you can use the cards as part of your holiday table setting. They can be placed at each guest's seat. So not only does it double as a placeholder, but also a small gift as a token of your appreciation for your guest. You can make an advent calendar. So you can use a DIY advent calendar and then add the money card holder to it. You can use these as gift or in gift exchange parties. So either parties where you like put all the gifts in a pot and then you draw a number, or anything like that where you have to exchange gifts for a party. You can also use these as decorative tree ornaments, and I actually have another video that I used making money card holders as ornaments, which I'll link in the group for anyone who wants to see that. So these double as festive tree ornaments, you can hang them on the Christmas tree to add a decorative touch. And you can even, like, for your family, if you want to hang your family's money card holder on the tree, like Christmas Eve, so when they wake up, they can see it on the tree. So let's see what else here. You can use them in holiday crafts, of course. If you want to use it as just like an embellishment to maybe like not dress up, but if you want to like big up a holiday card or just any other creative holiday craft. Of course, you can give these as thank you gifts for anyone to express your gratitude during the holidays. So you can add a heartfelt note. You can put heartfelt notes on the back even, because the back is blank if you just use white cardstock. So you can write a note on the back. And then also you can use these in charitable giving. So you can make these money card holders put the money in there, and then you can donate them to a charity or organization of your choice. All right. So why should you get the Christmas money card holder workshop bundle now? So as I was stating, this is a unique solution to transform your holiday gifting experience. Like we're into the holiday season now. So if you want to get your gifts done and out of the way, because it's going to get busy here for us. If you want to get them done and out of the way, now is the time. So you get your high quality done for you money card holder, so you don't even have to think about design. You can just print, cut, attach your money, personalize, be on the way, and your gifts are done for the season. So say goodbye to those time-consuming tasks, of course, of hunting down free images on the internet, running them through a SGV converter, and all of that headache. That is eliminated with this bundle. So that means you have two choices then. So you can continue to feel overwhelmed and uncertain about where to start with your money card holders. You can continue to waste valuable time scouring the internet trying to find free designs to try to make them, expend excessive hours cleaning and converting subpar images, which leaves less time for your crafting, and you struggle to salvage those low quality images only to end up frustrated with unusable files, so you wasted your time altogether. Or you can get the Christmas money card holder workshop bundle and skip the headache entirely. So clever crafters choose the Christmas money card holder workshop bundle to focus on what matters most, which is crafting. And of course, when you have more time, not only can you spend it on crafting, you can spend it on time with your family. And that's really the most important thing of the holiday season, time with your family. So don't prolong your overwhelm. Grab your Christmas money card holder now, and you can gift with elegance this holiday season. So the longer you wait, the longer you'll battle that holiday crafting chaos. So let's get into, I'm going to get into how you can get this bundle in a couple of slides. So everything that we went through, the workshop replay, the Christmas SVG bundle, the money card holder, the Christmas money card holders, and the gift tags. And actually there's one more bonus that I didn't even mention, which is my money card holder templates, which those are just blank templates that you can use to make money card holders for any occasion. All that is valued at $267. However, I am having a flash sale on this bundle, and you'll be able to get it for just $27. So how long does the sale last? So the sale actually starts tomorrow, but since you're watching here with us live, I will drop the link if you're interested so you can grab it now ahead of the crowd. It does technically start at midnight and then ends on the 8th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So once the sale ends, all the bonuses that I mentioned go away. You will not be able to get those. You will only be able to get the replay of the workshop, and that's it. So now let's dive into some questions. Let me just go ahead and check the chat and let me see if we have any questions here in the chat. So first question is, will I even be able to use these money card holder files even if I never used the SVG before? So yes, you'll be able to use the money card holders and the Christmas SVGs. Even if you never used the SVG before, these files are all beginner friendly. There's no cleanup required. All you need to do is just upload and cut for the SVGs, upload, print, cut for the money card holders. Next question is, yeah, but I can get free images anywhere. So true, you can get free images anywhere. However, those come up with their own problems. Those require cleanup, which takes a ton of time. And a lot of times those images are stolen, so you really should not be using them anyway. Next question, do I need to invest more money? No. The sale price is all you need to pay to get the bundle. There is no additional fee required to get started. Next question, how long will it take? So as you've seen here in the workshop, it took us no time, and we made 3. That's because we had all of this prep work done. So honestly, you can have your project done in just minutes since all the hard work is done for you. And if you do your prep work, that saves you even more time. Next question is, what if I'm bad at designing? So that is not a problem at all. You don't need to know anything about design to be able to use these money card holders or the SVGs since they're all ready to use files. So what's What do I get again that's special since it's on sale? So since the flash sale includes those bonuses that I mentioned, you get the lifetime access to the replay of this workshop. You get the Christmas SVG bundle with those bonus Christmas SVG files. You get the the gift tag SVG bundle. You'll also get the, which I didn't mention in the previous slides, you'll get the money card holder template bundle. And then you'll get those Christmas money cards, the pre-designed Christmas money cards. So that's 4 bonuses you get in addition to the replay of the workshop. That's what you get that's special. Next question, is there some type of money back guarantee? So no. Due to the digital nature of these files, all sales are final. However, if you have a problem with the files at any time, just reach out to me. My email is shop@hypnoticglamourdesigns.com, and I will be more than happy to help you. Next question is, what is the deadline again? So the deadline for the flash sale to be able to get all these bonuses with the replay of the workshop is November 8th, 2023 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the next question is, what happens if I miss the deadline? So if you miss the deadline, you will not get any of the bonuses. All you will get is the replay of the workshop.